How to change your Instagram name without waiting 14 days. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Instagram username without waiting for 14 days. Now, to change your username first, simply what you have to do is open up the Instagram app and head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find at the bottom right corner of your screen, and there tap on edit profile and you'll be able to change your username by simply tapping on username from here. However, as you know, once you change your Instagram username, you won't be able to change it again within 14 days. You'll have to wait for 14 days and only then you'll be able to change your Instagram name again. Now, the only way to change your Instagram username again is to contact the Instagram support itself. What you want to do is on the profile, what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal lines icon that you can find at the top right corner of the screen, and then head into settings and privacy. And if you scroll down below, you'll find the option help. Tap on help and tap on report a problem and go ahead and report a problem here. What you want to do is explain to Instagram. You can give any reasons that your account was hacked and somebody changed your username, or somebody had access to your phone and they changed your username and now you want to change it. You can give all sort of reasons and then submit report to Instagram, and this will probably get back to you within 48 to 72 hours and you should be able to change your name again. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.